I'm Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Coco P Cruz, and today, guess what? I will be making you some Pompano fish. So right now I'm going to show you how to make a simple dish with oyster sauce and with some orange. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and wash the fish. I just got this from the market yesterday. It's super fresh, so you guys are gonna love this. Let me wash my hands. Turn on our stove in a medium-high heat, and of course, don't forget our virgin olive oil. Time to fry our fish. You know what this is, yes you do. All right, so let's be very careful when you're frying your fish. Usually I leave the tail, yeah. So but it's up to you. You guys can cut it if you want to, but I do leave the tail when I fry my fish. I'm gonna go ahead and put this, cover it like so. All right, and we'll be right back. It's going to be lovely. Now for frying, I'm gonna teach you how I fry my fish. So this is almost like about a ton of Pompano fish. So for me, when I fry my fish, it will usually just take me like few minutes on the other side, a few minutes on the other side. Alright, so as you can see, we just finished frying our Pompano fish, right? And I'm going to transfer our fish into our new skillet like so. And then I am going to go ahead and use some of the oil that we use from frying our fish. This. I have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce that we're gonna go ahead and put on top of the fish like so, and we're going to spread that like that. Right after that, we're gonna go ahead and put some black pepper, ground black pepper like so. I have about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper that we're gonna go ahead and put on top of the fish. Next is our onions like so. This is a julienne cut onion. That's gonna give lots of sweet flavor into your fish. Half cup of water. We're gonna put this in a little bit of oil. And a whole orange that I'm gonna go ahead like so. And I'm telling you, this fish is so good for you. The flavor is super neat. You guys are gonna love this. That's that. We're just gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. Put this into a boil. And then we're gonna start eating. I'll be back. Alright, so cooking of fish for almost 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you. Look at that. And of course the sauce will eventually subside a little. You know what? Let me taste the sauce. Wow, that is super good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and transfer our fish into our plate like so. Awesome! I can't wait. I hope you get to enjoy my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Coco P Cruz. Look at this, just for you. Enjoy. I'll see you guys again. Take care. Well, but that's okay. Hey, I can smell fishy, right? When it's not fishing in your hand, it's so loud. What the heck? Alright, some lemon. But wrong.